Do you wish to earn $4.50 just by watching one video online? Well, all you gotta do is follow these steps. Step number 1, grab your mobile phone. Step number 2, click and watch a YouTube video to finish. And step number 3, get paid with real money online. This is a very common and easy way to earn extra cash online, especially while we're staying inside our homes. That being said, this tutorial is suited for our beginners, and you can do this as well. Now, this strategy works anywhere on the planet and is free, safe, and legitimate. So if you want to earn some extra cash online, stick with me all the way through the end to know all the places you need to visit in order to start earning some real cash. I'd like you to visit this website to officially start our tutorial for today. It's called followfast.com, and it's the exact platform that will pay us to watch videos for our method for today. I'd want to show you the withdrawal history on this website for today right away to reassure that this platform is indeed trustworthy. They're showing people from all over the world cashing out actual money every minute, as you can see. You can now see that this website is quite open about how much money they pay their members, and based on that evidence, you can estimate how much money you could make on this platform. Now, when you get to followfast.com, the first thing I want you to click is the Join button up top. And once you've done so, you'll be directed to this page where you can create a free account and sign up later. You don't have to be concerned, however, because you may register on your phone or any other device you own. Now, you must enter your username, email address, password, and location in order to register, which the website will automatically detect. After that, you may leave this referral section blank. After that, to finish CAPTCHA, fill in this number in this section. After you've completed all of these steps, click Join to finish the process of creating your own account on this platform. And that was the first step for today's money-making venture. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video so that you will find out all of the steps of earning $4.40 for every video watched. Let's keep the ball rolling, shall we? When you log into your account, you'll be directed to this page, which will serve as your personal dashboard. I'd like you to concentrate on the YouTube area at the top of your screen right now. They have YouTube plays, YouTube likes and dislikes, and lastly, YouTube subs, as you can see. Right now, I want you to concentrate on YouTube plays and click on it. You'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the next page to see available YouTube video. You can start earning real money online by watching this current video all the way to the finish. It's literally that easy to operate our method for today. Right now, I want you to pay close attention because I'm going to go over some key points that you should remember. To begin, as stated at the top, you must view the videos for at least 35 seconds in order to receive this number of points. That is why we should press the play button right away to get started. After that, you'll be transported to the video you need to view. And if you return to Follow Fast, you'll notice a 35-second countdown that when turned to 0 will give you the points you earned. You'll be able to turn those points into actual money after you've accumulated enough, and that's literally all there is to it. This platform provides you with an endless number of videos to watch, which effectively means you'll be able to make money for 35 seconds over and over. Isn't that fantastic? For example, I watched this video for another 35 seconds and make money again and again. To give you another tip right now, if you have many devices, you can use them all. You can use a laptop, a desktop computer, a tablet, or even your phone to do the task. After that, you can open as many video-related tabs as you wish. This way, you'll be able to multiply your revenue by number of devices you have. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. So right now, allow me to give another free tip to assist you to enhance your results. Let's have a look at some of the sample videos right now. When watching YouTube videos such as this one, you may now go to the settings and double the playback speed to make the video faster. You'll be able to watch them more quickly this way. You may also alter the quality of the video you're watching and set it to the lowest quality if you have a sluggish internet connection or a limited data allowance. You save internet data this way, which means you'll be able to view more videos and make more money. Let us now return to the homepage of Follow Fast. From there, go to the top of the page and click on Daily Bonus. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you can earn free points every day and hour. You can currently receive a daily bonus of 100 points as well as 25 points every hour, as seen here. It's truly that easy. All you have to do is follow these simple directions right here, such as giving 15 likes or 3 likes after logging in, and you receive that number of points immediately. Now you'll be able to cash out your money once you've acquired a large number of points by watching various YouTube videos on this site. Simply click the Cash Out button right next to the Daily Bonus button to do so. You'll then be led to this page where you can select payment options for cashing out your funds. You can withdraw your funds using PayPal or Bitcoin. However, if you don't have these payment options, you don't have to worry because you may cash out on a variety of other payment methods, which they distribute to all of their members from all over the world. All you need is just $1.50 in order to start cashing out your money, since that is the minimum payout system of this platform. Finally, if you want to make the most money from this method, you can use this platform to repeat the process of watching YouTube videos online. Of course, you are free to use all of my suggestions to improve all of your performance and results. And that sums up today's tutorial. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.